AI video generation is evolving faster than anyone expected, but there's a big difference between models that create impressive one-off clips and models that creators can actually rely on for real storytelling. Seedance 2.0 is coming soon, and early signals across the internet suggest this could be one of the most meaningful upgrades in AI video so far. So today, let's take a look at what's publicly known, what creators are expecting, and why this release could set a new bar. Higgsfield is the fastest growing Gen AI company with one clear mission: to become the most creator-friendly platform in the world. This week, Higgsfield is preparing for the coming soon release of Seedance 2.0, and early signals across the internet are already pointing to something big. From public previews to viral demo clips to growing creator buzz, anticipation is rising fast. Seedance 2.0 is shaping up to be one of the most closely watched AI video releases of the year. Higgsfield.ai is positioning itself at the center of this next wave in AI storytelling, and the launch is right around the corner. Seedance 2.0 hasn't officially launched yet, but the hype is already building across public demos, creator discussions, and early access clips circulating on X and Reddit. And the conversation around this release feels different from past AI video updates. People aren't just asking if it looks good, they're asking if it finally works like a real creative tool. Early reports point to improvements in motion realism, character stability, editing flexibility, and multi-shot storytelling, all of which are key for serious creators. Multimodal input mixing. One of the biggest early signals is multimodal input support. Reports suggest Seedance 2.0 may allow creators to upload up to 12 mixed assets at once, including images, video references, audio, and text prompts. That means you could combine a character image, a motion reference clip, music, and a written prompt into one unified generation. Native audio-visual generation. Seedance 2.0 also appears to generate audio and video simultaneously, instead of adding sound afterward. Footsteps may sync naturally with movement, and ambient audio could adapt to the environment in real time. That suggests a deeper cinematic awareness, making outputs feel more immersive and complete. In-model editing capabilities. Another major expectation is prompt-based editing without full regeneration. Creators may be able to swap characters, modify backgrounds, extend clips, or merge scenes using simple text instructions. Quality and speed improvements. Early reports also suggest Seedance 2.0 may deliver 1080p output, faster generation speeds, and improved lighting and texture fidelity. This matters because most AI video tools force a trade-off between speed and quality. If Seedance 2.0 improves both, it could represent a major usability jump for creators. Advanced motion synthesis. Motion realism is one of AI video's hardest challenges, and Seedance 2.0 seems to target it directly. Sources indicate advanced motion synthesis powering 5 to 12-second clips with smoother athletic movement and more complex choreography. If stability improves at this level, it could be a major breakthrough compared to competitor models. Character consistency breakthrough. Character consistency is one of the most repeated themes across early demos and community buzz. Facial features, outfits, and even small details like accessories appear to remain locked throughout an entire clip. And that's critical for storytelling, because consistency is what makes AI video usable for real narrative production. Seedance 2.0 is not released yet, but it's coming soon to Higgsfield.ai, the creator-friendly platform where Seedance tools are available. Right now, you can already try Seedance 1.5 Pro inside Higgsfield, and Seedance 2.0 is expected to launch here as the next major upgrade. Once it goes live, creators will be able to generate cinematic AI videos directly on the platform using prompts, images, video references, and audio, all in one unified workflow. If you want to explore the official page and stay updated, the link is available in the description. A powerful way to understand this upgrade is through side-by-side comparisons. When Seedance 2.0 demos are placed next to Seedance 1.5 Pro or competitor tools, the differences become much clearer. Earlier models often show character drift, lighting inconsistency, or jittery motion. In contrast, Seedance 2.0 examples appear smoother, more cinematic, and far more stable across frames. And these quality gaps aren't just cosmetic, they directly impact how usable the tool is for real creators working under time pressure. What makes Seedance 2.0 exciting isn't just better visuals, it's the workflow shift. Seedance 2.0 specifications are not officially confirmed. All information discussed here is based on publicly available sources, early reports, and community discussions as of February 2026. Features and capabilities may change at launch. If the early signals are accurate, Seedance 2.0 could mark one of the biggest steps forward in AI storytelling so far. Not just higher quality frames, but more control, more consistency, and more real creative workflow power. The launch hasn't happened yet, but anticipation is already building fast. And this might be the release that pushes AI video from impressive demos into real cinematic production. Stay tuned.